you for supporting our students. And remember, Scots are #1.
Thanks for supporting us as students. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
On behalf of the Senior Class Gift Committee,
Thank you for your donations.
On behalf of the Alumni Board, thanks for your support on Scots Day 2019.
Thank you. Roll Scots.
Thank you for helping us to expand our VR anatomy program.
Thank you for supporting the Monmouth College faculty.
Thank you for supporting student athletes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for donating to the Digital Propaganda Research Center here at Monmouth College. It not only means a lot to me as a student, but to the department as a whole.
Thanks to all of you for all of your generosity today and always to Monmouth College. We all appreciate it so much.
This experience could not be possible without you all. Thanks for your generosity, thanks for your commitment, thanks for your thousands of hearts devotion.
Thanks from the theater department.
On behalf of the Parent and Family Council at Monmouth College, we'd like to thank you for supporting our Scots Cruisers project.
Hey, 1,000 thanks to Tartan Nation for a great day on our third Scots Day of Giving. We have well surpassed our results of last year. We could not have done it were it not for the entire campus community, so 1,000 thanks.
Roll Scots!